dears. Let's do an update on my extreme living room makeover. All right, I have been working away on it. I know I've been a little bit silent. We've been so busy with graduations and graduation parties at our house. We have 4 kids graduate from college this summer, and they all want separate parties. So we've been busy with that, but I have been inching along in this living room. I want to show you a few things that I did. I moved the rug to the center of the room more, and I pulled the couch off the wall. That's a trick you can do to instantly make a room look more high-end, is pull the couch off the wall. It's called floating the couch. I found a little marble console. I think I paid $50 for it off of Facebook Marketplace. And when I went to pick it up, it had a crack in the middle of it. And so it was $75. And then when I went to pick it up, she said, oh, because of the crack, I'll knock off $25. And I liked it because it had a crack in it, because I thought it made it look old. It was originally from Target, but I loved that it looked old because of the crack, so that worked out. So we added a console behind. I still need to style it. I'll show you what I end up doing with that. I have been messing with the coffee table, that bamboo coffee table that I found, and I decided to gild it. I was a little nervous that I was going like over the top with that idea, but I'm going to show you what I did, and I do like how it turned out. I added these beautiful gold casters, which were just so delish. I love them. I accidentally ordered double what I needed. I must have put them in the cart and then put in the cart again, because I got almost $300 worth of casters, which completely obliterated the deal that I got on Facebook Marketplace. And then just today I realized, oh, I have 16 of these things and I only needed 8. Ugh. So I'll just have to do another project, because I do love the casters. And that's good news for you, because the casters are not going to cost you nearly what I spent. Okay, I know the lighting is going to drive my editor crazy because it's switching all over my face. That's kind of a big no-no. So I'm going to stop. So if you remember, a while back I found this piece on Facebook Marketplace, and it's the bamboo look, which really caught my eye. It's raining right now, but I liked the bamboo. I felt like that really worked in an English cottage style. And then the glass is the perfect shape that shows the medallion in the rug that it sits over. I continue to be interested in pictures like this that have the gold bamboo. So that makes me think that I should gild this table and add some casters. It's a little bit low, and so I think that changing it to gold and raising it up with casters would make it nice. If, however, my gold idea does not work out, I also think painted bamboo looks really nice. So keep your eyes open when you're out thrifting for bamboo style little pieces of furniture, and you can gild them, spray paint them, you can gild them, or you could paint them. I think all of those look really nice. Now it looks very good with any grand millennial or traditional style decorating you're doing. We took a little break from the living room and hit the garage sales today. I recommend community garage sales, of course, because you can just get so much done. I bet we had 30 houses that we went to today. My favorite find is this gold fireplace screen. I'm going to put this in my bedroom in front of the fireplace to make it look more legit. We got frames. This is good. It's good to be out in the sun again. Update on the fire screen. I used it upstairs, and my mantle upstairs is so French and feminine looking that it just pushed over the top. You can get way too feminine. So I brought it downstairs. And I've always kind of felt like our wood stove is a little bit too masculine and boxy. So this is maybe a really good combination. I'm going to leave it here for $10. I like it. First of all, I'm adding size, which is a special glue for gilding. And you leave it on for 15 minutes till the glue feels like sticky like a Post-it note. Next up, I'm adding these thin sheets of gold, and you can get them in different colors, but look how fragile they are. They just flake away, and you just very carefully
add them to that size, which is ready to, it kind of feels like a magnet when you put it on. It just sticks right on there. Then I'm coming back over with a dry paintbrush to just tap it all into place. And I'll get some flaking as I go, but it's such a satisfying process. And then you can go back, you can patch it up however you want, but there's nothing else like it. And the French used to use real gold. I'm not sure what this is, but it's not real gold. It gives a very old French look to pieces. Have my whole team working here. Now, I did find that it was a little bit too bright, and so I came back over with some dark wax to just tone it down. That's an option too, if you're feeling like it's too glam or something. This is what I like, the Annie Sloan soft wax in dark. So see how it just kind of instantly gives it patina and age. And then I'm polishing it up with a final brush. I'll link all this in the description for you. Now, partway through, of course, never as simple as it looks, we ran out of size. And so I did some experimenting and figured out that I could use Elmer's glue. There's our kitty he only has 3 legs. I don't think he's ever been on camera. I could use Elmer's glue and you let it dry until it's sticky like a Post-it note, or I could use Elmer's spray-on glue, which I was semi-successful with. I'll probably go back and add a little bit more gilding to sort of the patchy areas. But I only have 1 caster on here, so it was really tippy while we were working. Also, as we were going along, we decided we liked this little trick of using the tissue paper. It comes on tissue paper. Gilding comes in, it sort of looks like a little book and has all these gold leaves separated by tissue paper. And I found that holding the tissue paper with the gilding went on a little bit nicer because your hands get sticky as you're going along, and this helps protect from that. If you're doing a lot of gilding, like this project is a lot of gilding. I bet we used over 50 sheets of gold, I think. And fun fact, you can get gilding in the edible form, and it makes all of your desserts look phenomenal. So easy. Okay, now we're doing the casters. And I figured out the depth that I wanted to drill, and I added a piece of tape, you can see it here, so I could just quickly get the correct depth every time for each leg.
So my next decision is the drapes. You can see the samples that I put up. And that is how I like to do it, is just put up pieces of fabric and leave them up, sometimes even for a week. So we have 3 choices. I'm actually gonna let you guess which one I chose. and reveal it in the next video, but this is the first one. It's just a nice tan texture. It's the same fabric as these little chairs here. And the second choice is this beautiful checkered fabric. It's really thick. Oops, I pulled too hard on that. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that anymore. Really thick, heavy, beautiful fabric. Just gonna show you what the whole room looks like. The third option is just a creamy white linen. Beautiful. And the fourth is the curtains that I've had up here for a while. This really cute block print, which I love. All right, you're gonna tell me in the comments below which one did I go with, and I'll share it with you in the next video. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.